Hi friends, one may work as is expected, beyond expectation, and sometimes below the expectation. However, if you want to create an impression or to change an impression, you have to work beyond the expectation. I had a wonderful experience when I was the regional head of Oriental Insurance Company in Cochin. One day, I think it was a Wednesday, there was a call from Sri Satish, Senior Divisional Manager of Oriental Insurance Company in Thiruvananthapuram. He told me, "Sir, we are forwarding a major claim file to the regional office. Please see that it is attended without delays." I repeat the word without delay. Usually there is a perception that the offices which are not directly dealing with the customers are less customer sensitive. This is not entirely true. There are people sensitive to the customer expectations at all levels. Rather, most of the people are customer sensitive at all levels. And some of the people at every level is insensitive to the customer expectations. Natural. I immediately called Srimati Shanta Radhakrishnan, the motor claims department head. She came to my cabin. I briefed her about the gist of the discussions we had. Then inquired, what about the perception of delay in the regional office? She said, generally, usually it don't happen like that. Usually a claim takes 3 to 5 days only in the regional office. Major ones requiring multiple approvals may take another 2-3 days more, maybe 7 to 10 days. Fair enough. But she went a step further. She said, having said, let us surprise them by attending the claim file on the same day. I don't have any pending file on my desk. I can attend the matter quickly same day. But there was a challenge. It was a major claim requiring multiple approvals. 3 managers have to study the file independently, usually one after the other, taking time. Where there is a will, there is a way. She suggested, sir, they would have already made 3 sets of the file, one for the branch, another for the divisional office, and the original for our records. Let them send all the 3 sets through a messenger so that the 3 officials can study the file simultaneously instead of one after the other. Those who verify the file based on copies can cross-check with the original when we go there for their approval. Wonderful idea. Friday came. Sri Rajesh walked into my cabin with the 3 sets of the claim file. I welcomed him and extended the courtesies. I told him to go around the city if you want. Come back to RO regional office by around 3 o'clock. You can leave the city back to Trivandrum by the evening train. He was off. I have invited the managers, Ms. Chitre and Dr. Gopi Shankar. They came to my cabin. Claims head Srimati Shanta Radhakrishnan was also called. I explained to them the idea. I requested Ms. Chitre and Dr. Gopi Shankar to study the file based on the copies. They can cross-check with the original when Shanta is taking it to them for the approval. They agreed. I have quickly completed a checking of the original file, got satisfied with it, and then handed it over to Srimati Shanta for doing the needful. 2.5 hours passed. It was around 1 o'clock. She walked into my cabin with the original claim file and the claim approval note already signed by two senior managers, Ms. Chitre and Dr. Gopi Shankar. I also signed the approval note and handed over the claim file back to Srimati Shanta Radhakrishnan with an instruction to prepare a claim approval cum file forwarding letter for the division, as Rajesh is expected to come by 3 o'clock. She gave me a mischievous smile and handed over the claim approval cum file forwarding letter already prepared in anticipation. Oriental Insurance Cochin region was full of such positive and proactive people, and I have enjoyed the tenure as the Chief Regional Manager of Cochin region. Still cherish the sweet memories thereof. Thank you. Bye.